Watla Kiwei ki parti badan lang hakasor Khuborjylla kila Khihwin banyak Kren na kabenta banyak Jingkylliang syuki hapadeng ki MLA jengki henrei na kaliang ke UDP haduk menta kampat don kanu ke jingya Kren katkum ke jingya thu da MLA ke UDP na kli riat ba Kerman Shillong babat ru ke syuki Myntri revenue ba disaster management ke parti haduk menta kampat ya Kren AA Halor ke Jingkylliang syuki Myntri uang ru ba Haka UDP ki MLA ki long kum shipara bat lada don AA ki Kren bai markmat kumta habaya de bekamat Jingkylliang syuki kampat don kanu ke jingya Kren kum balong mentah.
We don't have any discussion when it comes to that. As of now, we have not had anything. So, me being a minister, maybe if there's a discussion, so they will not tell me. But I believe that the party will do the best for us. Whatever the party decide, we accept and we appreciate it. We are 12 of us, but the post accommodated to us is only 2. So really, I wish we all 12 got the post, all become ministers, but that is next to impossible. It will never happen only. But to accommodate each and everyone is not possible. But whatever post we have, we are blessed to have it. And for this, we'll do justice to the people by serving the best we can. Whoever in our party, we believe that the party chose accordingly and not just blindly. And then if I continue, I feel I am blessed to have it, and then I'll serve my party the best I can. And if not also, I accept whatever the party propose. Because we all 12, we are like brothers. So we work like brothers, and if one brother get the benefits, if one brothers do better, we all are happy. From the beginning, we have not decided that after 2.5 years, or after 3 years or 4 years, or it will continue for 5 years. There's no discussion on this. It's just that we were accommodated as a minister, both of us, but we have not discussed because the party can take a call anytime. Since we have no agreement, so the party can take even after 1 year or so, still the party can take it away from us. After 2.5 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, that depends on the party. We have no agreement, such kind of agreement. So that's why the party can take a call anytime. We need not wait for that 2.5 years or so, or we need not take any call after 2.5 years or so. The party has the rights to take a call anytime when feel needed.